Hello students, now we are going to talk about question 17, set 2, paper 2, and now I'm going to show you the algebra method. Now don't worry if you don't understand this algebra method, you can look at the unitary solution that I've done earlier. If not right, don't worry too, next Thursday when I see you again I can explain it to you, okay? So you would have read the question. So you'll be 175 more apple pies than bananas. And after selling 3/5 of the apple pies and half of the banana pies, she had 268 pies left. How many pies did she sell altogether? So remember in class, I was saying that if you put banana pies, right, to be equated to apple pies. So banana pies is actually equals to apple pies minus 175. You agree with me, right? Because apple pies, you have more apple pies, and therefore when you use the apple pies minus away 175, you can get banana pies, okay? So that's why B is equals to A minus 175, okay? So now let's do the other so-called equations, with the A and B one. Now you know that 268 is actually the left, okay? And this is so, okay? So this is so don't get confused, okay? So now we know that 2/5, okay, instead of 3/5 is 2/5 of the apple plus half of the banana, you get 268 pies, which is left, okay? Now this method, right, even though I call it algebra, it is also something like a common friend. Do you still remember common friend? You have to eliminate one, right? And at this point of time, right, you can't really eliminate because you can see that none of the values equate to one another. So therefore, one way I can do it is to change this B, okay? Change this half B into B, okay? So what do I do? I have to times 2 for the whole equations. So if times 2, right, 2/5, 2 of 2/5, right, 2 times of 2/5 will be 4/5. A plus B equals to 268 times 2. Now 268 times 2, that will give you 536. Got it? So now, right, I have two equations. One is this, okay, and the other one is this. Now, do you see the common friend? Do you see the common friend? Okay, good. Yeah, B is actually the one that is common, okay, and now I can actually insert this whole B into here. Okay, maybe I change another color, okay. Insert this B, okay, into here, okay. So instead of B, I'll be seeing A, okay. So 4/5 A plus, instead of writing B, I will say plus A minus 175. That will give me 536, okay. So do you still remember when I shared with you that if you're going to bring this particular like a value on the number and cross it over an equal sign, you will have to change its sign. So if over here is a minus, when it comes to the opposite or when it comes to the other side, crossing the equal sign, it will become a plus, okay. So in this case, it will be 4/5 A plus A equals to 536 plus 175, and that will actually give you 711, okay. So what is 4/5 A plus A? A, right, is one whole, right? So it looks something like that. One whole, right? I want to add it up, right? So that would be 9/5A equals to 711, okay. 9/8 is equal to 711. Let's find 1/5 A. Okay, so it's 711 divided by 9, and that will give you 79. Okay, so now I can actually find A, right? I can find A, right? So A is actually equals to 79 times 5. That will give me 395. Okay, now once I find A, it's easy for me to find B, right? Do you still remember this? Find B. Okay, so B will be equals to 395 minus 175. Okay, and that will give me 220. Okay, so now I know A, now I know B. Let's go and find all the pies that are sold. Okay, so for A, sold, okay, that will be 3/5 times 395. Okay, and if you work it out, you will get 237. Okay, B, sold, will be half of the 220, and that will be 110. Then 237 plus 110, that will give you 347, and 347, that's the answer. Okay, hope you can understand this method. If you don't worry, you can still look at the unitary method. I can explain again next Thursday. Okay, see you.